Hey, hello guys, welcome to this video. So this video is going to be the next video of my contacts app video series, right? So in the last video, I showed you how the app is going to work and what we are going to do in this application development. That is, I'm going to build a user interface with jQuery as well as with React, right? So I told you in the last video. So this video I'm going to show you how to create a React app from the scratch. So I think you would have already known this, but I'll show you how it works, right? So I'm going to the projects folder and I'm going to say a folder called contacts, right? Let it be the contacts, and I'm going to open this with code. Means it opens with Visual Studio Code. Okay. Yeah. So the application is now opened with VS Code, and I'll open a terminal, right? And I'm going to run this npm command, which is npx create react app my app. Okay. The my app here refers to the app name. So if you check here, there is a dependency for Node, which is the React will work after the version 14.0.0 of Node, right? And npm should be greater than or equal to 5.6, right? So you should check whether Node is installed and it is above this version. So I say node-v. So I'm having the version 15.0.0, which is greater than 14, right? And I'm going to check what npm. So the same thing, npm-v. It is 7.0.2, which is greater than 5.6. So all things are installed in my machine already. So if you have not installed Node, right, you should go to node.js. Okay, and you should install Node first. You know, Node.js is free to use, I mean open source, right? So it can be easily downloaded and installed, right? The current version is 19.6.0 and the light version is 18.14. So you can download this LTS version, right? And you can follow the steps and finish installing, right? So you should check before running this npx create react app command, right? So I'm going to run this command now, npx create react app, and it is going to be contact app. Okay, so when I click on enter, this command installs all the dependencies and the packages that is required for running a React application, right? So it will install all the dependencies, all the files, all the things that is required for creating a React app, managing it, and building anything with React, right? So the command is going to execute and it waits for some time. I'm waiting for it. See, so it is creating a new React app. It is installing packages now. It is installing React, React DOM, React scripts, all these things. We'll wait for some time till it completes or installing all the dependencies. Guys, you see, now the command has completed installing the React. Okay, so it has our basic project setup. So we have our basic project setup, right? So you see there is a node modules folder, public folder, a src folder, right? And package.log.json and package.json. So this package.json will have all the inputs of the registries or the packages installed in our project, right? So If you see, the dependencies is React DOM, React scripts, right? Testing library / React. These are all the dependencies that are installed in our project, and this has all the track of all the dependencies that is installed, right? Perfect. So let me explain about this folder structures and all these files in the next video. I'm going to start this application. So npm start will start the application, and it takes this application to the browser, right? So the thing is, I have to go inside contact app, right? So because our project is inside this contact app folder, so the cd contact app. Now when I run npm start, you should see our application will run, and it takes our application to the browser. Yeah, so now our application is ready. See, so when I go to the app.js, you will see this logo. Okay, so image tag with this logo is nothing but this svg image. Okay, so that has been shown in the home page, right? So it means our application is fine and it is working well. So guys, in the next video you'll see what are the use of all these folders and how to start the development with React. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.